do you have any advice for somebody that is trying to get into tattooing? Like, what would you say would be some good steps to take
So
if they just want to start out? Assuming they don't know anything about art. Like, let's assume that this person just has a dream about becoming a tattoo artist, doing what you're doing now, and they don't know where to start. Maybe they have like the natural ability of doing art. There's usually some sort of curiosity of magnetism towards something. So let's say they have that, right? But they don't have any preparation and they want to get into the industry. What do you think would be?
I feel that for me, at least, it worked like that. First, enjoy the process. Like, don't think that, okay, I want to be a tattoo artist because it's gonna give me money.
Yeah.
Like, don't think that it's because of the money, because that's when you're gonna fail.
Yeah,
at least
I agree
feel
with
that you have to enjoy that. You have to like that.
Yeah.
And even that, if you don't know, practice, be disciplined. Like, I feel that I saw many people. I used to work with other apprentices, and I saw the difference between the one that want to learn and the one that like be someone, and others that are just chilling and trying to just get a tattoo and that's
Just
it.
make
Just
money.
make
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel that.
What was the difference for you? Like the
That
difference in
discipline.
personality or the difference
No, be the discipline and consistency, like to go for what you want, like to keep going, learn, like practice. I practice a lot. Like, again, I used to tattoo many people for free, even on my day off, just to work on my portfolio and to make better craft.
Okay.
So practice and no thinking that first the money.
Yeah, no, I agree. I feel the same way. Like,
and feed your feed the knowledge with from other artists, look for different styles.
Yeah.
Like, look what they do, how they do, why they are doing that.
Is that something you still do?
Yes.
Okay.
I still like, even I follow many artists that doesn't have to be like fine line or floral. Like, I just like the craft, color, realism, anything.
Yeah, something I would do. I haven't done it in a while, just because I don't think I'm in that phase of like learning anymore. And obviously, I keep a really busy schedule. But one thing that I used to do was I would find an artist and I would obsess with that artist for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, where I was just like watching, or maybe just a few days, depending, But I would literally, it's almost like I would try to get into this artist's mind, and I would sort of reverse engineer what these people were doing, understand, and I would not stop looking at their work until I felt like I understood how they did it.
Different styles,
whatever you different styles.
See,
Yeah, and I would usually try to replicate what they would do, either by doing a tattoo or doing a painting or doing something where I felt like I was almost copying what they were doing. But in this process of copying, it would give me some sort of understanding. It would never end up looking like they would do what they would do, because you can never really replicate what somebody can do. You can't replicate someone's mind. You can't replicate somebody's motor skills. You know what I mean? But it would give me something. And I think that's something that it really helped me out to find myself as an artist. You know what I mean? Because in that process of copying, you end up almost like finding your own way. You know what I mean?